Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to save Google document as PDF. Let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome. Then at the top right corner, you can see Google Apps option. Click on it. From here scroll down, and you will find Docs option. Click on it. When Docs will open, locate the document which you want to download. Then click on it. It may some time to open. When it will open, you can see File option at the top left corner. Click on it. Here you found Download option. And under Download, you found mini file format to download. From here click on PDF document. Now go to Downloads. Now here you can see document file is downloaded. If you want to see file location in your system storage, click on Show in Folder. But this time I'm opening it from here. One thing is important to remember, that if your PDF contains any link or email address, so you can visit there directly by clicking on it. For example, there is an email address. If I click on it, it will take me to the location. So, that's it. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.